Hello friends, today we will be preparing a dish which is mostly used for fasting time. We name it as Sabudana Khichdi. In Tamil, I think you call it as Sago. By the name of Sago we can get it in the market. We'll just see what all ingredients we needed, and it can be used for lunch also, dinner also, snacks also. Quite nice, simple and tasty recipe. Let's see.
We need sabudana. In Tamil we call it as javarsi, or on the packet it is written as sago. This sago we have to soak it overnight. I'll show you. The soaking, the sago becomes a little blown up. You can see the consistency of it.
Basically for frying you will need ghee. After ghee you will need jeera, salt, chopped coriander, 1 lemon, chopped chilies according to your taste. These are not spicy, that's why I took it a little more. And then potato, which is finely chopped. Let's start with the procedure now.
We have to take peanuts, roast it, and after roasting remove the cover of it.
I removed all the cover of the peanuts. Now we will take everything in the grinder and make a fine paste out, fine powder of it. Peanut powder is ready. In a vessel we have taken sago. I have just made it a little, separate I made it. Inside that we will put peanut powder. Peanut powder has to be half of the quantity of sago. And if you feel that it is a little more, or you don't like the taste of the peanut powder, then you can make it to 1/4. But now inside this we will put salt as per taste, and 1 spoon sugar. Actually I forgot to show sugar that time in the ingredients. Just 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now we will mix it all, and in the meanwhile we will take a kadai. In that kadai we will take ghee. It is preferred that you prepare it in ghee because the taste of the khichdi in ghee is very nice. Now the ghee is become hot. In that ghee we will put some jeera. See, the jeera is done. Then we will put chili. After this chili, we will put potato. And then fry it. Lower the gas flame so that it will become nice. We will keep a lid on it just for few minutes, maybe 1 or 2 minutes, just because we have to make the potatoes a little soft. Now it is almost 1 minute. I have opened the lid. The potatoes have become a little soft. They should not be overcooked or overboiled. After making the khichdi, the potato shape should be intact, same as it is. Now in this mixture, whatever we took this mixture, now we will add this. I'll just mix it first. See, I just mixed it. Now we will add this inside this kadai. Now we will properly fold it. I will just hold it with and I will fold it. When you feel that everything is mixed properly with the ghee, then the gas is low only. And if it is fast, then please lower the gas. Take the lid, cover it. We have to cover it for more than 3 or 4 minutes. But in that 3 or 4 minutes, just after every 1 or 1.5 minute, you should open the lid and check the steam. And you should, I'll just show you the procedure. And then after 1.5 minute, I'll open the lid. I'll fold it again with the spoon, and then again I will keep the lid. It is almost 1.5 minutes. You can see the steam coming out. You can also see that sago is a little blown up now. Sabudana is blown up now. We will again fold it, mix it properly. See, you can see it. It is all blown up now. The color will also change according to the groundnut powder which we put. If that powder is very white, then the khichdi color will become very nice. My grandmother used to like white khichdi with only chilies we can see. Now this has become a little dark, but no issues. This also taste is nice. It is because we roasted the peanuts too much. That's why the color is becoming very dark. Again, I will keep a lid on it for more couple of minutes. This opening the lid and mixing it is a compulsory procedure, because or else the sabudana will stick to the bottom of the kadai, and then it will start getting burned. So we have to keep on opening the lid and moving it for every 1 or 2 minutes. 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes are almost done. I will just remove the lid. See, now you can see the texture. It is 99% done. Mix it well once again. After mixing it well, now inside this we have to put lemon juice. Half lemon I have put inside this. Now I will mix it well. See, it is very nice done. Steam has also come nice, smell is coming nice, and it is ready to eat. You should serve it hot only. Now in a plate, you take it. On this, you put chopped coriander, and You can eat it. It is ready. This is ready to serve. You can have it like this also, or few people may like it with curd also. So you can add a little curd to it and you can serve it